Hey guys, I'm in another hotel room. This time I'm on holiday in Madrid with my girlfriend Perpe. As you can see from my face, Perpe's persuaded me to put on a face mask because apparently airplanes dry out the skin on your face, so it's good to clean and hydrate afterwards. I'm not too sure about it. I don't really like faffing around doing all this girly stuff with my face. I normally just wash it with plain water and maybe put some moisturizer on after I shaved, but yeah, it just feels like my face has got stuff on and it's wet, so that's not too good. As you know from previous video, my Q&A, I actually study Spanish, so it's good to visit Spain to practice speaking a bit of Spanish, hearing it. Pepe's got Spanish relatives, so we're going to be visiting them, and that's one of the main reasons I actually study Spanish, so I can learn how to speak to them more fluently in Spanish rather than Pepe translating. We'll also be going shopping, showing you some shops around Madrid. We're staying near the Plaza de España, which is walking distance within Gran Via, which is a major shopping street, and all the theatres. So let me give you a quick tour of the room. Pretty standard hotel room, bed, watching Spanish news, because what else would we watch in Spain? Yeah, and the bathroom. Oh, hi Pepe.
Hi. Just like, yeah, finished off.
Cool.
You need to wash that stuff off your face.
Oh yeah, I will do. Yeah.
Okay.
How long are you supposed to leave it on for?
15 minutes, I think it's been about that, so.
Yeah, I should probably, it feels kind of dry now.
Yeah.
Cool. Alright, I'm gonna go wash this stuff off my face and then I'll catch you guys around Madrid. So we walked down Opera and we've made it to the palace. This is where the Spanish family live. It's huge. And it's really cool because unlike Buckingham Palace, you can walk right up to the palace, get pretty close. To the doors. Good morning, it's day 2 in Madrid. We're walking towards
Sol right now.
We're here in Plaza de Sol, just gone for a little walk because it's sunny yesterday. Still cold, a few degrees warmer than England. We're going to go check out La Chinata. It's where Pepe likes to get her face masks, and they sell lots of other olive oil products. Have a quick look around Sol. Really beautiful square. And it's a major metro stop. Hola, it's day 3 in Madrid. As you can probably tell by my hair flying everywhere, it's windy, but it stopped raining and it's sunny today, so that's nice. Nice and warm in the sun. Perpe's gone to see a friend for coffee, maybe lunch, so she's left me on my own, and I'm currently walking up to Gran Via. I'm gonna do a bit of shopping. Hey, this behind me is Plaza de Cibeles. It's a famous neoclassical building in Spain. It's become an iconic site in Madrid. As you can tell from probably the noise, it's a major interstate for the roads. But behind this bus over here, I can get a shot, not at the moment. Right there's the fountain. Behind me here is the Puerta de Alcalá. It's considered one of the first triumphal arches built post-Roman era in Europe. Originally it was a gate into the Park de Retiro, which is just behind here, but they've built a road around the arches, so you can no longer go through it.